Welcome to Staking How-To Guide. My name is Andres. Today we're going to cover how to liquid stake Ethereum using Lido with MetaMask. Staking is a great way to earn passive income while holding your crypto. However, staking usually means locking up your capital. While you're still earning rewards, there's nothing else you can do because it's locked. Income liquid staking. And while you're still earning those juicy rewards with Ethereum, you can also take that staked capital and put it back to work for more rewards. Basically, have your staked asset and also be able to participate in DeFi at the same time. Let's just go ahead and stake that ETH. To go ahead with the stake, simply click Stake Now. It will bring you down here. We can see the APR is 3.9. Simply click again, Stake Now. It will prompt you to connect your wallet. I already have my MetaMask connected. Simply go ahead and set the amount that you wish to liquid stake. We can see that we're going to get the stETH in return. And here you can see the transaction cost, which will vary depending on the current Ethereum gas prices. As you can see, if you do this during the weekend, you can get the favorable gas prices. Something good to keep in mind. The fees by Lido is 10%, which is already discounted from the rewards generated. If you're already happy with it, just click Submit. Approve with your MetaMask. We have $3.8 as fee. Click Confirm. And that is it. We have just successfully liquid staked Ethereum on Lido using MetaMask. Congratulations. So now that it's staked, let's go ahead and look at their funds. Open MetaMask. Our assets, wait a minute, it's not stETH, it's not here. No problem whatsoever. We can just import the token very easily. As such, click Next, import token, and there it is. There's our stETH. You can also view the rewards right here in Lido by clicking up here in Rewards. And there it is. It's good to know that the rewards will automatically compound, so you don't have to do anything. As of today, you cannot unstake Ethereum. You will have to wait the merge and an additional upgrade that will come later on. But let's say you want to take that stETH back into Ethereum. We can do that easily here by just going into Curve. With Curve, you can swap your stETH back into Ethereum. Depending on the supply and demand of stETH and ETH, you will get a different rate. For now, we're going to go with the rate that we have here and just show you for the exercise. As you can see, we have $29 in stETH, which will be swapped back to Ethereum, and we will get about $27 in return. Simply click Sell. Click Confirm. I'm going to pay $3. And then here we're going to have the gas fees, which is about $10, and click Confirm. And that's it. We swapped our stETH back into Ethereum. We did have to pay a few gas prices, but that's because we're using the Ethereum network. That's all, folks. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave them in the comments and we'll be more than happy to get back to you. Have a good one.